Hi, this is Lisa from Mindfully Nutritious. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking mushroom and spinach Alfredo. Let's get into it.
In a medium saucepan over medium heat, toss in sliced baby portobello mushrooms and 1/4 cup bone broth or any broth you have on hand. Simmer the mushrooms, flipping and stirring until the broth is absorbed. Now that the mushrooms are cooked, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, which will beautifully brown the exterior while locking in the internal moisture. Next, add crushed garlic cloves followed by a sprinkle of salt and sauté till golden. Keep the pan over medium heat. Remove and reserve the cooked mushrooms and garlic in a side bowl. Strain the starchy liquid from your canned chickpeas into a bowl. We're using 8 ounces of chickpea liquid, also known as Aquafaba. Next, add in the solid coconut fat that separates the top of the coconut milk can. This recipe calls for the creamy fat portion, but it's totally fine if a few drops of coconut liquid gets in there. Whisk constantly until the cream is fully incorporated. Then sprinkle in 6 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese, whisking constantly. Taste your sauce and season with salt and pepper. I highly suggest using white pepper, which gives off less heat and adds a delicious floral flavor. Next, add in Banza pasta. My sous chef George cooked this pasta for 4 minutes, strained it, and now it's going to finish cooking in the sauce. Using tongs, toss the pasta until completely covered with sauce. Add in reserved mushrooms, garlic, and raw baby spinach. Using your tongs again, mix until baby spinach is wilted. Transfer to a pretty pasta bowl, garnish with fresh chopped parsley, some more Parmesan cheese, and pepper. Bon appetit! Let us know in the comments below how you like this recipe and maybe even hit that like button. Until next Friday, be well, be mindful, and keep cooking.